We've all been there. You start with one or two tabs, and by lunchtime, your browser looks like a barcode. The icons crush together, you lose track of what you were researching, and trying to find that one specific document breaks your focus completely. This graphic shows the exact problem and the instant solution: Smart Tab Grouper. Instead of spending 5 minutes dragging and dropping 50 open tabs into folders, you can click a single button and instantly sort them into distinct color-coded categories. We are going to walk through how to execute this instant cleanup, how to activate Chrome's local AI engine for context-aware sorting, how to customize the look of your workspace, and why this extension keeps your browsing history strictly private. Regaining control of a busy browser shouldn't require manual effort. By letting local automation organize the layout, you clear the visual clutter and get back to your actual work. Here is a standard, disorganized window with 25 open tabs. To start organizing, simply click the Smart Tab Grouper icon in your Chrome toolbar to open the control panel. Your first option is the purple Group by Category button. Go ahead and click it. Instantly, the extension reads the URLs and sorts them into logical buckets like Work, Docs, and Social. Your browser bar is now neatly segmented by task type. If you ever want to reset your workspace, click Ungroup All Tabs at the bottom of the menu to remove the folders without closing any of your active pages. Now let's test the alternative organizational method. Click the teal Group by Domain button instead. Notice how the layout changes. Every distinct website, whether it is Wikipedia, YouTube, or Google Docs, gets its own dedicated color-coded group. Depending on your workflow for the day, these two logic engines allow you to structure your workspace immediately, eliminating manual tab wrangling entirely. Grouping by fixed domain or broad category is fast, but we can upgrade this process to understand the actual context of the pages you are reading. This requires a quick one-time setup in Chrome. Open Chrome/Flags in a new tab. Search Prompt API for Gemini Nano. Change the setting to Enabled. Restart your browser to activate AI. With the browser restarted, open the Smart Tab Grouper menu again and click the orange Smart Group with AI button. The results are much more specific. Instead of a generic work label, the AI scans the page content to create precise descriptive groups like AWS Cloud Learning or LeetCode Practice. If you are using an older version of Chrome that doesn't support Gemini Nano yet, the extension automatically falls back to a local text analysis algorithm, ensuring your tabs are still intelligently clustered by content. By enabling this feature, your browser organization directly maps to your active research and current tasks, rather than relying on predefined lists. Let's move from how the tabs are grouped to how they look. We'll navigate to the bottom half of the control panel to customize our new workspace. Look at the Sort grid. You can click these options to quickly arrange your groups alphabetically, or push the most recently accessed tabs right to the front of your window. Above that is the Colorize section. You can instantly swap between visual themes to match your preference, assigning cool blues and purples, or warm reds and yellows to your active groups. For a dynamic visual effect, click the specialized Dance button on the far right. This sets off a continuous wave of colors across your tab groups. The animation persists in the background, keeping your workspace active even after you close the extension menu. Distinct colors and precise sorting let your eyes quickly identify exactly where you need to click, significantly reducing the friction of navigating a busy screen. Whenever we talk about AI analyzing your workflow, the immediate concern is privacy. Most tools send your active URLs and browsing history off to a corporate server for processing. Smart Tab Grouper operates on a strict architectural rule. It makes absolutely zero external network requests. When you use the Gemini Nano AI, every single piece of data is processed entirely on device, within the physical confines of your own machine. There is no user tracking, there are no hidden API keys running up charges, and there is absolutely no telemetry data collected about your browsing habits. You get the benefit of a highly organized browser without sacrificing an ounce of personal privacy. It is secure by design for developers, researchers, and corporate users alike. Here is the final result. In a matter of seconds, an unreadable, overwhelming wall of browser tabs is compressed into a perfectly structured, color-coded workspace. And remember, if you ever change your mind, the Ungroup All Tabs button acts as an instant undo, restoring your original layout without closing a single window. To clean up your own browser, install Smart Tab Grouper from the Chrome Web Store. Activate the local AI flag and drop a comment below letting us know which colorize mode you prefer. Finding your tabs shouldn't be the hardest part of your workday. Let the local tools handle the digital chaos so your mind stays clear and focused on the task at hand.